Welcome back to yet another video on Yummy with Mommy. Today we'll be showing you how to prepare chicken karahi. So first things first, we have our pot on high heat and we're going to be adding in 1/4 cup of oil, and we're using canola oil. We'll be adding 3 tablespoons of butter, as you can see here, followed by 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Okay, so as you can see here, our initial ingredients are hot. So now what we're going to be adding is 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili, which you can find at your local Indian market. We will follow that up by adding 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, which is also readily available, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally we'll be squeezing in half a lemon. Okay, so we will stir this up and we'll let this cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're ready to go. So we're now going to be adding our chicken, as it's been 7 minutes, and we have our base prepared here. So we'll be adding about 1 1/4 chickens into this mix, making sure to thoroughly coat with the gravy that we have prepared here in the base. And we will let this cook for about 40 to 45 minutes on medium heat. And we will now place the lid on top. So we'll let this cook for 40 to 45 minutes and we'll show you what this looks like then. So this is what it looks like after it's been cooked and finally prepared. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Try this recipe out for yourselves and let us know how it goes by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to like the video. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned and know when the most recent videos are being posted. That being said, we'll see you in the next video.